Avyavashni. In this project, I built a multimodal retrieval augmented generation system that can understand text, tables, and images from documents and answer user questions using that information. Traditional RAG systems usually work only with text, but real world documents like research papers, reports, and presentations contain images, tables, and diagrams. The goal of this project is to build a system that can retrieve information across multiple modalities and generate grounded answers. For example, a user can ask about a diagram. The system can retrieve text plus table and a image, then generate a contextual answer. Tech stacks, the technology stack used in this project includes Python for implementation, PyNewPDF and PDF Plumber for document parsing, and PyTesseract for OCR, sentence transformers, clip model for multimodal embedding, ChromaDB as the vector database, Fast API to expose the system through a REST API, Docker for containerization. Real world use case. This type of systems can be used in research papers, analysis, enterprise knowledge search, financial document understanding, legal document analysis, where the AI needs to understand both text and visual content. The system follows a decoupled pipeline architecture like document ingestion, text image table extraction, multimodal embedding, vector database indexing, cross model retrieval, answer generation, REST API response. First, documents are ingested and processed. Text images, and tables are extracted with metadata like page number and document ID. Then we generate multimodal embedding using a clip-based model which places both text and images in the same semantic space. These embeddings are stored in ChromaDB along with metadata. During a query, the retriever fetches the most relevant text chunks, tables, and images. These results are passed to the generator, which produces the final answer. This is my project folder. The project folder is organized into modular components and SRC folder, which have ingestion folder. This module handles document ingestion and parsing, which have document parser.py, image processor.py, which extracts text, detect tables, extract images, OCR for images, and the embedding folder. This module loads the multimodal embedding model. It allows both text and images to be embedded into the same vector space and a vector store. This module manages the vector database using ChromaDB. This store embeddings, store metadata, and query similar vectors. In retrieval, the retriever.py accepts a text query and retrieves relevant text images and tables. And the generator.py, this module generates the final answer using the retrieved context. And the main.py. Finally, we expose the system through a fast API endpoint. And now it's time to test. The system ingests multiple document types, including PDFs, images, and text files. The parser extract text chunks, tables, and images with metadata. As we can see, the retriever returns a combination of text, tables, and images demonstrating cross-model retrieval. Here, the generator uses the retrieved context to produce a final answer. Entire system is containerized and exposed through a REST API. Here, one of the biggest challenge was building a multimodal retrieval pipeline. The system had to support text, images, tables while storing them in the same vector database. Another challenge was associating metadata like page numbers and document IDs, which is necessary for returning accurate source references. Handling different document formats and extracting images from PDFs was too tricky. There are a few improvements that can be made in future versions. Use a vision language model like a Lava or a GPT-4V for better visual reasoning. Improve table understanding using structured table embedding. Add image to text retrieval. Improve answer quality with the better prompt engineering. Implement caching to reduce processing time. This system demonstrates a complete multimodal RAG pipeline capable of processing complex documents containing text, tables, and images, retrieving relevant information, and generating grounded answers. Thank you.